Classes. Classes. Because Python is object-oriented programming language, so classes are very important thing to know, and it's very effective rule in writing codes. Classes can be represented real-world things exactly like a blueprint. Almost everything in Python is objects, but classes are just like a blueprint, but classes themselves are not objects. Classes can create objects that are called instances. To create a class, simply we can do as keyword class, your class name, parentheses, colon. Then you can put your variables, functions, as many as code you need to perform. Note, first letter of the class name is always capital. So, to create an object of a class, your object name equal your class name, parentheses. See next lecture to know how to create a class object. Thank you for watching.